This is going to be a short video of how you insert your colour palette into Procreate. So we're just presuming that you've already downloaded the file and it is located somewhere on your iPad. So if we tap on the colour disc and then make sure we're on palettes, you see the bottom right corner, then we go to the top, tap the little cross and then tap new from file, and then you need to go and search where you've saved the file when you downloaded it onto your iPad. There's various options. When you find the file, if you just tap it, and it'll appear in your colour palettes with the title of the particular colour palettes that you're installing, and it's just ready to use.